Today we're taking a first look at the BMW R20, and the big question is simple. Does it actually feel worth your money, or is this just another flashy concept with a premium badge? Right away, the R20 makes a statement. It's bold, it's stripped back, and it's got that classic meets modern vibe BMW has been leaning into lately. The massive boxer engine sits right at the center like it owns the bike, because honestly, it kind of does. Visually, it's raw, almost industrial, but still polished enough to feel premium. Now, sitting on it, or at least imagining the production intent, you can tell BMW is going for emotional impact over pure practicality here. This isn't your everyday commuter. It's more of a weekend machine, something you ride because you want to be seen and feel connected to the road. But here's the catch. We still don't have final specs, pricing, or real-world performance numbers. And that matters. Because with a design this bold, expectations are going to be high. And so is the price tag. So is it worth your money? Right now, it depends. If you're buying with your heart, the R20 looks very promising. If you're buying with your calculator, we'll need the full release for that answer.